Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to make a simple tutorial of how to draw the eyebrows. And as you can see, I've got a lot of acne on my face, so definitely I've got an oily face. So starting off, I'm going to set my eyebrows to get rid of the excess oil or the grease on the brows, so that I'll be able to draw the brows easily or perfectly. Yeah, so this technique is perfect for those with oily face, but if you have a dry face, you have to you can skip this technique. And as you can see, I didn't trim my eyebrows. I don't like trimming it because I'm scared it will become thin. My eyebrows is not that much already, and if I keep on trimming it, I might end up having a thin eyebrow, which I don't want that, so I don't trim my eyebrows. So yeah, that's it. So I'm going to use a dark brown pencil to draw the brows, and this is how I usually determine where my brows is supposed to start. I use the bridge of my nose to mark the beginning, like where the brows is supposed to start, and with the mid part of my nose I'm going to mark where the arc is supposed to be, and with the end I'm going to mark the outer edge of my eyes to the outer edge of my eyebrows and mark it right there. And now I'm going to outline the brows to the exact shape of my brows. Yeah, and with the top, I didn't start from where I started the down. I'm going to start where the hair grows. Yeah, and I'm going to follow down my brow shape as well. So after drawing the line, I'm going to go ahead and fill the space in between, like the space there. So at this point, I'm going to repeat the same procedure on my other eye. So I forgot to say this, when drawing the brow, make sure you don't press in too much. Use a lighter hand when drawing. Like, don't press in too much, just use a lighter hand. And now you can see I left space at the front there, just like that. So with the space I left over there, I'm going to use my pulling to drag and pull, just like that, to give it that natural look, that natural brows look. So you can reline or deepen it when you feel there's a pothole there. And after drawing it, it's gonna look a little bit horrible until you conceal it. With the concealer used for the cleaning, I'm going to use 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. So with the brush, I'm going to use the concealer brush, and with the cleaning, I'm going to start from the inner corner to the outer corner of the eyebrows. So now I'm going to follow my brow shape, and I'm going to drag the concealer down so that I'll be able to blend it in. And with the concealing, you have to take your time so that you don't mess everything up. So you have to be super careful and take your time. So like I said earlier, you got to drag the concealer down so you'll be able to blend it in. So I'm going to repeat the same procedure on my other brows, and as you can see, I'm joining the concealer to the other concealed brow so that I'll be able to get the perfect line, or to achieve a similar line. So now we are done with the lower brows, and we are heading to the upper brows. And with the upper brows, I'm using a foundation that suits my skin tone, and I'm using this little amount so that it will be easy for me to blend it in. So we are getting closer to where the arc should be, and I don't know why some people do their arc in a block shape or in a vein shape like that. I don't like it when they do it that way, so try doing it in a round shape instead, yeah, to make it look more natural. So concealing the upper brow too, I'm going to join both together to get like the same line, yeah. But after drawing the line, I realized the other brow is too higher than, the arc is too higher than my other drawn brow, so I keep concealing it till I guess similar brow. Brows are not twins, so you can never get the same eyebrow size, but you have to get similar very similar brows. And now I'm going to use my fluffy brush to blend the concealer, to blend it in. Blending the concealer, you got to be super careful. Make sure you don't blend too close to the brows. When you blend too close to the brow, you're going to wipe the concealer off, and it's not going to give it that sharp brows. So you don't have to blend too close. You have to, I'm talking about the lower brows. With the upper brows, you can just blend everything off. And yeah, after blending the concealer in, I realized I didn't get that sharp look at the beginning of the brow, so I went ahead and used more concealer to draw the to conceal it, to make it look a little more sharper like I wanted. Yeah, so yeah. We are almost done, and I keep correcting any mistake I think I've on the brows, like refilling any potholes. And I normally used my fluffy brush to like dab the beginning of the brows a little bit to make it a little bit faded. That gives it more natural look. So guys, I'm done with the brows. Please let me hear your comments. Let me hear your thoughts on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.